Most portfolio websites are just static, but this one actually has a backend and database. Let me show you how. When I send data, when I s- when I send data from my website, it actually goes to my backend and gets stored. And in this video, I'll show you how I built this step by step. First of all, welcome back to Web with Aditya channel, and I have built this full stack portfolio using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I used for backend Node.js and PostgreSQL. If you are a beginner, this will help you understand how real world project actually works. Now, for this project, you need to download the Node.js from the official website. I had installed Node.js because it allows us to run JavaScript on the server. You can download it and check installation using node space hyphen v. Go back to your portfolio project, whatever you had named your project, and all files are there. Open the terminal and type npm space int space hyphen y. This create package.json, basically the brain of our project. Now, after typing that, again type in the terminal npm install express pg. These are the only tools I use to build the backend. Express for server, course for connection, and PG for database. This is my backend file, server.js. This controls everything happening behind the scene. This this part connects my backend to the database. Without this, we cannot store or fetch any data. When frontend call, this is gets real data. So API works like a bridge between frontend and database. I created multiple APIs for different sections like skills, project, experience, education, etc. This is the most important part. When user submits the form, this API runs and stores the data in database. And this is what makes it a real world project. This is the front end structure of my website. These are the IDs where my backend data is displayed. So nothing is hard coded, everything is dynamic. This is where front end talks to backend. This function calls the API and updates the UI so data flows from backend to frontend dynamically. This part creates UI design dynamically instead of writing everything manually. Let me simplify everything. User interacts, front-end sends data, back-end process, data base stores, response come from the from response comes back, UI updates. And this is exactly how real-world application works. You can see this is my the URL of my hosted website. Like I had hosted this website, so I had got this URL for my portfolio. Finally, I had deployed this backend using render, so it's live. If you are learning web development, don't just build static projects, build something like this. Subscribe for more real world projects. Thank you.